Hi dears, happy day. This is Bharat here. This video is exclusively for the last minute revision of ITSM, Information Technology Strategic Management, old syllabus of your CA IPC. We know quite well that this is the last attempt for the CA IPC exams, and majorly ITSM plays a pivotal role in completing the second group. The one main thing we need to understand is it shouldn't be not just the last attempt for from the ICA's perspective, but also from our side. We need to keep visualizing that this attempt we are writing and we are going to complete it once for all. So from Premier Academy, we would be of maximum help relating to all the subjects, but majorly from my side on ITSM, EASM, law and economics for finance, which we deal regularly and perspective from the examinations also or from the concepts. Now, what we are going to do is the last minute revision for the ITSM. So the first thing which we will usually do in the class, as you know that we have the recorded classes, video classes, and also the audio podcast, which we are giving it at a nominal cost till the examination, till ICA exam date, till that particular day, 5 o'clock, you will be able to have an access through the Google Drive. Video classes, obviously, we have, which will be effective, and you have a validity period for it. Considering all that, we would know that for an ITSM class, the first is the positive mindset, which is very important because most of the people fear ITSM and they fail in ITSM examination even before they step into the examination hall. Correct? So that 50% failure is already starting because of the fear. There is nothing to fear when we wanted to give concept related classes here in Premier. Positive mindset, chemistry, which we call it as chemistry working out, which is called consensus ad item, meeting the minds of people. We need to cover that. Ice breaking, we will definitely do. We'll make yourself very comfortable, irrespective of whether you take video class or audio class. You depends on the cost perspective. We'll be able to complete what and all we'll do in the classes that we have. Why am I taking all this is still we have a month time for you to complete your ITSM. 1 month is more than sufficient for you to cover your ITSM. So even now, if you decide that you are going to clear the whole syllabus in the whole syllabus perspective itself, you can get our classes. When you require that, you need a support from the faculty, we will be able to do it. Concepts, connections, the mnemonic shortcut, which is the lifesaver for ITSM, diagrams list for telecommunication networks and all, separately diagrams with 40 meanings. Everything, each and every concept, I would have given a diagram for it. And there are various things which you can connect through MCQs relating to who define what list, will be for strategic management, number games, playing with the numbers. It will make your job very easy. You will never feel like you are in the studying a theory paper. It will be highly interesting because you cannot see from one angle. If you see ITSM from different angles, it becomes very easy. Correct? When you finish up the examination at 5 o'clock, you need to feel that, yes, I am done with my IPCC. I am into CA final. Because ITSM is the last exam, you don't have anything apart from that to cover and to visualize yourself. Reverse psychology, answering, I answer and the students tell the question, so that it becomes a reverse psychology. We do all that also. Stick charts method, we would give you 1 hour list in the video or audio classes, how to study and cover it in 1 hour, so that you can easily break the subjects. 1 hour you study auditing, 1 hour you study IT, 1 hour list. That separately meanings alone. 1 hour you go and study on accounting standard. When you come back, you will read strategy related concepts alone. Like that, we will segregate, so it's easy for us to study. Last is the most important thing which I usually teach the students, which is called visualization. Law of attraction. What you think is what you become. All this we try to do it in the class. This we share it before the last minute revision, because you can also use, when you see this video, you can also share this to the needy, so that let's be a part of their success. Now let's go directly to the ITSM LMR for your July exams only. This is the last attempt, so we can do. Now covering quickly, we'll go We will go inside the concepts and see what is that. BPM, business process management, business process reengineering is forming part of chapter number 1. Processing cycle, give concentration more because it's there in RTP and MTP. Recent technologies, 5 popular technologies are there like tablet, Android, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and smartphone. Smartphone, they have asked this in the RTP or MTP, so concentrate more on that. Emerging technologies, cloud computing, grid computing, mobile computing, virtualization. Cloud computing give concentration more. Models of cloud computing asked in RTP. IS components, hardware, software, database, MCQ, we would have covered in the class itself. So you can read from that, it's enough. Telecommunication network models and classification are major. Servers they are asking. There are 7 types of servers and tier structure. 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier. 3 tier is otherwise called N tier or multi-tier. Chance of asking in the exam is more. Expansions list, we would have given that in the forming part of the material separately. 6-mark question, forming part of the material separately. Smart works, we call it as. All these are forming part of your smart work materials we give. Mnemonics list, forming part of your smart works. Easily you can get it. Types of system. Transaction processing system, office automation system, knowledge management system, management information system, decision support system, executive information system. One question is going to be sure. TPS is already asked in RTP. Specialized system like ERP, CRM, SCM, accounting information system, like that you have more concepts. Implementation of SEM, they have asked in RTP. Other systems, business intelligence, artificial intelligence, expert system. Out of these 3, one question is going to be sure. Artificial intelligence applications is very important. So concentrate. Mapping system, 5 mapping systems are there, including flowchart. Data flow diagram has to be concentrated more. All these are based on the materials, MCQs, the class notes that we try to give. Now, everybody has materials in hand, but what I am trying to touch on through this LMR is how to make use of the materials effectively. How, if you break the subject, it is going to make your job very simple and easy. This is for your IT. More than this, there is nothing to be covered in IT. Easily 50 marks for IT, 15 marks MCQ. Easily you can handle because we also have the subjects related concepts. It is there, so we can easily make it strong. Also to cover up what and all is there exclusively for us to be concentrated. 25 into 5 MCQs. What is that? Scenario based MCQs can also be asked. You can cover it from ICA. 400 MCQs. Books are available from Premier Academy. 400 MCQs. Question with answer we will give you. Expected questions. PDF that is already available for this particular attempt. RTP 3 attempts, unique questions you can concentrate. I would have touched on that in the expected question. Audio note podcast that I have prepared for the full syllabus, full IT and SM, all the 12 chapters at a nominal cost, which you can take it till the exam date of ITSM. Or if you wanted recorded classes, we are happy to help. Recorded classes, audio classes, video, audio, both are available. Now we have seen what is there for your concentrated materials and how to cover IT with classroom material. Now SM, who define what list? We have already discussed in classroom, forming part of your smart works. Smart work material, we will give it at a cost. SM 100 MCQs I would have discussed in the class, more than sufficient for you to cover your MCQs, because when I say MCQ, it is not with choice, it is more like fill in the blanks. In one particular fill in the blanks, I would have told 2-3 points or sometimes 4 points. That means indirectly 300 to 400 MCQs exclusively for SM. We would have done that in the classroom itself, which is forming part of your video and smart works. 60 meanings of SM. Fully it will cover all the chapters relating 7 chapters of your SM. Differentiate between concentrate, vision versus mission, objective versus goal, strategy formulation versus strategy implementation, retrenchment versus turnaround, divestment versus liquidation. What is RTDL? Retrenchment, turnaround, divestment, liquidation. This is what we call it as mnemonics. VMOG, what is this? VMOG is nothing but your vision, mission, objectives and goals. Next, how to break open, comparison table list, organizational structure. You have 6 organizational structure, functional, divisional, then you will have SBO, matrix network, hourglass. Any one is going to be asked. PDLC, important for your exam. ADL matrix, competitive position, important for your exam. MAD list, separately prepared. And we would have already discussed that in the classroom also. What is MAD? Meaning, advantage and disadvantage. One question can come in the exam. Majorly, yes, some strategic management related questions are there because you have importance, which is your benefits, and you also have your limits, which is your disadvantages. Unique question we would have given, confusing questions we would have given that in the class, so you can cover my material and cover this also. Because the most important thing is you know the answer, but for what question, what answer you do not know in the exam. For that only we prepare confusing questions. Big questions like organizational structure, departments, analysis. What is SIRC? Guys, it is not Southern Indian Regional Council. What is SIRC? Corporate level strategies, your stability, inherent expansion, retrenchment, and combination. So that's called SIRC. So you can cover that also. SCM implementation, important for this particular attempt. Steps or stages, you cannot change the order of this. So like benchmarking steps, BPR steps, strategic management, or corporate strategy steps. You are not going to change the order. So be careful. This time Six Sigma, they have asked in RTP and MTP, DMAIC, DMADV, define, measure, analyze, improve and control, define, measure, analyze, design and verify. They have asked this in the exam. Michael Porter, one question is going to be sure. 5 forces rule or 3 strategies. 5 forces, don't confuse with 5 areas of overall market. Competitive pressure is different. Michael Porter 5 forces rule is different. So the question paper pattern is your EAS, which is nothing but your IT. You will have your 4 marks and 6 marks question, and SM you will have all the 5 mark questions, so you can easily cover. Now, what are the important things which we have already covered? Expected questions also we would be there. You can also cover it, and you can also WhatsApp me in this number. I'll be able to tell you in a better way. 6374510 is the number for you to WhatsApp me, or you can contact the academy. They'll be able to give you. Now, for this particular July, we have recorded classes for laws, ITSM, IT separately, SM separately for the old syllabus. Remaining and all is for the new syllabus recording. You can take either a regular class or a crash course. The most importantly, we also have the upcoming classes for November 21 in our Premier Academy. So you can share this to people who wanted it. Accordingly, we will be able to help you. If you are a CA final student, we take CA final law classes starting from July 3rd, only weekends, which don't disturb your articles, so that we can also help you in your laws perspective. As basically, I am a company secretary by profession and passion. So this is what we wanted to do for ITSM. Keep visualizing. Think that this is going to be the last attempt for your exams, and we will ensure next time when you see, it should be only for CA final examinations. And for the next proceeding to further, we always wanted to help you. Thank you and have a great day. Keep visualizing.